Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the future of AI. Today, we're diving into 5 mind-blowing AI breakthroughs set to rock 2025. From robots that think like humans to tech that could change your daily life, you won't believe what's coming. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. What's your favorite AI topic? Drop it in the comments. First up, let's talk about brain-computer interfaces. BCIs for short. Imagine controlling your phone, gaming console, or even your car with your thoughts. In 2025, companies are rolling out affordable BCIs that let you do just that. Picture this. You think about a song and boom, it plays on your smart speaker. This tech uses tiny sensors to read your brainwaves and translate them into commands. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's real, and it's here. Early adopters are already using BCIs to type messages just by thinking about the words. Imagine the possibilities for people with disabilities like those who can't speak or move easily. Some startups are even testing BCIs for gaming, letting you control characters in virtual reality without lifting a finger. The potential is endless, but there are challenges too, like ensuring these devices are safe and secure from hackers. What if someone could hack your thoughts? It's a little creepy, right? So what would you control with your mind? Would you use this for gaming, work, or something totally different? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Next, say hello to robots that can feel, well, sort of. In 2025, emotion-sensing robots are hitting the market, and they're about to change how we live. These bots use advanced AI to read your facial expressions, tone, and even heart rate to understand your mood. Feeling down? Your robot buddy might play your favorite playlist or crack a joke to cheer you up. They're already being tested in homes to assist with elderly care, and the results are incredible. For example, in Japan, these robots are helping seniors feel less lonely by engaging in conversations and reminding them to take their meds. But it's not just for the elderly. Imagine a robot nanny that knows when your kid is stressed and suggests a fun activity to calm them down. These robots use cameras and sensors to analyze micro-expressions, like the tiny frown you make when you're annoyed, and they're getting better every day. Some models even mimic human emotions, smiling or tilting their heads to show empathy. But here's a question. Could these robots replace human connection, or will they make us feel more isolated? It's a hot debate right now. So, would you want a robot that knows how you feel? Would you trust it with your emotions, or does it sound a bit too invasive? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know what you think. Number 3 is a game changer for urban living. AI that designs entire cities. In 2025, AI systems are being used to plan smarter, greener cities from scratch. These AIs analyze traffic patterns, energy use, and even air quality to create layouts that reduce pollution and make life easier. Imagine a city with no traffic jams, cleaner air, and parks everywhere. AI is making that happen. Some countries, like Saudi Arabia with their NEOM project, are already testing this tech for new eco-cities. These AI systems can simulate years of city growth in just hours, predicting how changes will affect everything from commute times to carbon emissions. They even factor in human behavior, like how likely people are to walk or use public transport, to design streets that actually work for real life. Plus, they're integrating renewable energy sources like solar panels on every building to make cities more sustainable. But there's a catch. Some worry that AI-designed cities might feel too sterile, lacking the charm of human-made spaces. What do you think? Would you live in a perfectly planned AI city, or do you prefer the chaos of human design? What's your dream city like? Drop your ideas below. I'd love to hear your vision. Let's talk education. AI teachers are stepping up in 2025. These systems don't just teach, they adapt to how you learn. Using data from your past performance, they create personalized lessons that match your pace and style. Struggling with math? The AI breaks it down with visuals or games until you get it. Some schools are already seeing test scores skyrocket with this tech. It's like having a tutor who never gets tired and always knows what you need. For example, a student who's a visual learner might get 3D models to understand geometry, while a hands-on learner gets interactive simulations. These AI teachers also track your progress over time, spotting patterns, like if you always struggle with fractions, and adjust lessons to fill those gaps. They can even predict when you're likely to get frustrated and suggest a break before you burn out. Some platforms are adding gamification, giving you badges for milestones to keep you motivated. There's a flip side. Some parents worry that AI teachers might reduce human interaction in schools, which is crucial for social skills. What do you think? Could an AI teacher replace a human one? Or should they work together? What subject would you want an AI teacher for? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your take. Finally, we've got AI that can predict the future. Well, kind of. In 2025, predictive AI is getting scarily accurate at forecasting trends, from weather to stock markets to your own habits. These systems analyze massive amounts of data to spot patterns humans can't see. Imagine an AI telling you to bring an umbrella hours before it rains, or warning you about a bad investment. It's already being used by businesses to stay ahead, and soon it'll be in your pocket. For example, retailers are using predictive AI to know what products you'll want before you even search for them, based on your past purchases and browsing history. Farmers are using it to predict crop yields, helping them decide what to plant for the best profits. Even healthcare is jumping in. AI can now predict disease outbreaks by analyzing social media posts and travel data, giving doctors a head start. But here's the spooky part. What if AI starts predicting your personal choices, like who you'll date or what career you'll pick? It's not perfect yet, but it's getting closer every day. Some experts warn about privacy concerns since these AIs need a ton of data to work. So, what would you want AI to predict for you? Would you trust it with big life decisions, or does that sound too risky? Comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on this one. Wow, 2025 is shaping up to be an insane year for AI. Let's quickly recap those breakthroughs. We've got brain-computer interfaces letting you control devices with your thoughts, emotion-sensing robots that know how you feel, AI designing smarter cities, personalized AI teachers revolutionizing education, and predictive AI that can forecast the future. Sort of. These advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and they're coming sooner than you think. It's an exciting time to be alive, right? Which of these breakthroughs blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one.